I bought and tested these dash cams so you don't waste your money. Dash cams are becoming essential for every driver, whether it's for peace of mind or protecting yourself against fraudulent claims. I've sifted through countless options to bring you the top 5 budget-friendly dash cams that don't skimp on features or quality.
Product number 1. Turunsul D016 4K Dash Cam. The Turunsul D016 has been a game changer for my driving experience. When I received it, I was immediately impressed with the packaging and the sheer number of included accessories, a 128GB memory card, rear camera, and various mounting tools. Setting it up was a breeze thanks to the user-friendly manual. I mounted the front camera behind my rearview mirror and connected the rear camera to the back of my car, which took me less than an hour. Once I started driving, the first thing that struck me was the stunning 4K resolution. The front camera captures a 170-degree wide-angle view, while the rear camera does the same, providing a complete view of the road. I could easily read license plates and see road signs from a distance. The video quality was excellent even in low light conditions thanks to the Super Starlight Night Vision feature. I felt safer knowing that I had reliable footage in case of an incident. Pros? The included 128GB memory card is a huge plus, allowing for days of continuous recording. The G sensor is a lifesaver. It automatically locks footage in the event of a collision, preventing it from being overwritten. And the 24-hour parking mode, it's like having a security guard for my car, capturing any unusual activity while I'm away. On the downside, the requirement for a separate hardwire kit for the parking mode was a bit of a letdown and could confuse some users. Also, while the app is functional, the interface could use some polish to make it more intuitive. So why should you buy the Turunsul D016? If you're looking for a high-quality dash cam that offers excellent video resolution, a wide field of view, and great night vision, this is your pick. It's reliable, feature-rich, and the peace of mind it provides while driving is priceless.
Product number 2. Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K Dual has quickly become my go-to dash cam. I was initially attracted by its sleek design and robust features, including dual-channel recording. After unboxing, I found everything I needed: rear camera, cables, and even a 128GB microSD card, making it ready to use right out of the box. Setting it up was straightforward. The suction mount held firm on my windshield, and I was able to adjust both the front and rear cameras easily. The video quality blew me away. 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear. You could see every detail, and the wide-angle views captured everything around me, making me feel secure. The Super Night Vision feature was impressive. Even in dimly lit areas, the footage remained sharp and clear. The built-in GPS is another fantastic feature that records my speed and location, which I found handy for reviewing my trips later. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi was a pleasant surprise, allowing me to download videos to my phone in seconds. I felt like a tech wizard sharing clips with friends on social media, all without needing a computer. However, the parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit, which can be an additional expense. Also, while the voice guidance is helpful, it can be somewhat annoying if you are trying to be discreet while driving. So why buy the Rove R2 4K Dual? If you're serious about capturing high-quality video while ensuring your safety on the road, this dashcam is an unbeatable choice. The combination of 4K resolution, excellent night vision, and ease of use makes it perfect for anyone looking to invest in their driving safety.
Product number 3. Red Tiger F7NP Dashcam. When I first got my hands on the Red Tiger F7NP, I was impressed by its compact design and the number of features packed into it. Included with the dashcam was a 128GB memory card, which meant I was ready to record right away. Installation was simple, and I mounted it behind my rearview mirror in no time. One of the standout features is the Starvis 2 sensor, which really shines in low-light environments. I took it for a night drive, and I was amazed to see how well it captured clear footage without any graininess. It didn't just capture the road, but also the details of the surroundings, thanks to its 170-degree wide-angle lens. I felt a sense of security knowing that I had clear evidence in case of any incidents. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi was a game changer. Using the Red Tiger app, I could download videos directly to my phone at record speeds. Sharing moments with friends or even just reviewing my drives became a breeze, and it felt like I had a mini editing studio in my pocket. Plus, the loop recording and G-sensor features meant that I never had to worry about running out of storage space. Important clips were locked away automatically. On the flip side, while the parking mode is a nice feature, it also requires an additional hardwire kit to work continuously. Also, while the camera itself is compact, the number of cables can be a bit cumbersome, especially if you're a neat freak. So, why should you buy the Red Tiger F7 NP? If you want a high-quality dashcam that excels in both day and night conditions, offers fantastic connectivity, and comes packed with features, this is the one to consider. It gives you peace of mind and reliability without breaking the bank.
Product number 4. iWay N5 4-channel dashcam. The iWay N5 caught my attention with its unique 360-degree perspective, and I had to see if it lived up to its promises. Unboxing it was a delight. Everything felt well packaged, and I appreciated the inclusion of a 128GB SD card. Setting it up was a bit more complicated than I anticipated due to its 4-camera setup, but once I got it configured, the footage it captured was nothing short of impressive. The 1080p resolution provided crystal clear images, and the night vision feature was surprisingly effective thanks to 8 infrared lamps. I took it out for a late-night drive, and I could see everything clearly, which made me feel safe. The 360-degree view is a game changer. I could see not just the front and rear, but also the sides, giving me complete visual coverage around my vehicle. This feature is fantastic for busy city driving, where pedestrians and cyclists can pop up unexpectedly. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allowed for quick downloads and viewing via the app, which I found to be intuitive and user-friendly. I could easily share clips with friends or save important footage directly to my phone. The G-sensor and parking mode features were also reassuring, knowing that my car would be monitored even when I wasn't in it. However, the setup process can be daunting for those not tech-savvy. Additionally, the camera's design, while functional, isn't the most aesthetically pleasing. Some might prefer a more discreet look. So, why buy the iWay N5? If you want a comprehensive view of your surroundings and don't mind spending a bit more time on installation, this dashcam offers incredible value. The peace of mind that comes with 360-degree coverage is worth its weight in gold. Product number 5. Vmint V300 Dashcam. I stumbled upon the Vmint V300 while looking for a budget-friendly dashcam, and I was pleasantly surprised. For its price point, the 1296p resolution is impressive, capturing details that you wouldn't expect from a camera in this range. Setting it up was straightforward, and I loved the compact design that allows for discreet mounting behind my rearview mirror. The quality of the footage, both day and night, was commendable. The starlight level sensor and large aperture made night recordings surprisingly clear. I took it for a drive late at night and could make out everything, which made me feel more secure on the road. The 170-degree wide-angle lens provided a broad view, and I appreciated how it captured everything happening around me. The built-in Wi-Fi made it easy to access footage through the vCar app. I could quickly download clips to my phone, and the interface was simple enough for anyone to use. The loop recording feature ensured that I never ran out of space, and the 24-hour parking mode was a comforting addition, especially for city dwellers. However, the absence of advanced features like GPS and a dedicated parking mode can be a drawback for some users. Additionally, while the app worked well, it could be a bit slow at times, especially when downloading larger files. So why should you consider the Vmint V300? If you're looking for a budget dashcam that offers solid performance and good video quality, this is a great option. It's reliable, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who wants to dip their toes into the world of dashcams without breaking the bank. After testing these dashcams, it's clear that you don't have to spend a fortune to get quality features.
Each of these cameras offers unique advantages, ensuring safety and peace of mind on the road. Choose one that fits your needs and you'll be investing in your security while driving.